From stepping up to Kurt Angle's open challenge as a rookie in 2002,
ruthless aggression,
to spitting hot fire as the Doctor of Thugonomics,
I just heard you heavy breathing, dude, and choking on your neck fat.
John Cena has done it all, achieving success that WWE superstars could only dream of. But a recent interview may have just hinted that the 16-time champ has figured it might be time to hang up his boots. While out in New York, John Cena was approached by TMZ Sports, who asked Cena about his thoughts on the horrendous Goldberg vs. The Undertaker main event at Super Showdown. When asked if Goldberg or The Undertaker should retire, Cena said the following: "I think an individual's career is up to the individual. I've been having the same conversation with myself, and I'm only 42. And that's something we've got to address each day. And that's individually specific. When those people are ready to stop, they'll stop." Although no word of retirement has officially been announced, John Cena has pretty much hinted that he is seriously considering hanging up his boots in order to focus on other things, presumably his career in Hollywood. So, whether you're one of the ones who thinks that John Cena sucks, or you respect him, there's no doubt he's created many iconic WWE moments for fans to remember, as well as inspiring millions of people through his motto, "Never give up." There must be a special reason to why Vince considers Cena as the greatest of all time.